Hi guys, today we're making a hot air balloon craft. So you can see that it's kind of 3D, it pops up, got some different colors, and a little hanging basket by some yarn. So let's get started. Step number 1, you're gonna need a template, blue piece of paper, it's already cut in half for you, your pencil, and scissors. So for this part, I'm going to take my template and carefully trace around the template on my blue piece of paper, all the way around. There is my circle. I can put the template over here. I will cut out my circle. Remember, turn the paper, not your arm, all the way around. Okay, this you can recycle. And your blue circle, you're actually going to fold in half. Right here, so now you have a half circle. And write your name here on the back. Once you've written your name, go ahead, open it up. And you can see your fold that you have there in the middle. Just trace a line right down the middle. Okay, and that's the first step. You end up with a blue circle with a line in the middle and your name on the back side. We're gonna put that over on the side for us now. Okay, for the next step, you're gonna need your template again, 2 different color pieces of paper, your pencil, and scissors. So take one of your colors of paper, you're gonna fold it in half, hamburger style. Okay, and then go ahead and trace your template again on this half of the paper. All the way around. There we go. And take your other piece of paper, do the same thing. Fold it in half. Trace your template. And now you have 2 pieces of paper folded in half with the template traced. You can put your pencil down and we're gonna cut these out. Try and stay nice and close to the line. You can go slow. Make sure you get a nice smooth curved line. Turn the paper, not your arm. There we go, and because we cut it on folded paper, we end up with 2 circles. So put those 2 circles to the side, and you can recycle your scraps. And the other one, we're gonna cut that one out too. Nice and slow. And there we go. And again, we have 2 colors, or 2 circles of that color. And recycle your scraps. Okay, so now take your 4 circles that we just cut out. We're going to fold all of them in half. So here's 1, fold in half. 2, fold in half. 3, fold in half, and 4, fold in half. Okay, so that's what we're gonna end up with. 4 circles, 2 of each color, folded in half. Okay, step 3. You're actually gonna put away your pencil, your template, and your scissors. You won't need these things anymore. So go ahead, put those away. They won't get distracted. You will need your blue circle that we made in the first step, and 1 circle of each color. Okay, you can set them like this. You're gonna need to take out your glue and put glue on 1/2 of the circle. So we drew a line to show half. We're gonna put glue only on half of it. Now take this color, you're gonna line up the straight folded side with your line that you drew in the middle of the blue. So now half of your circle is glued and the other one kind of stands up like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side with the other color. So put your glue on this half of the blue. Line up the straight side with the line in the middle. There we go. And push it down. So now you have 2 half circles standing up like that. Okay? Okay, step 4. You need what you've already made. So we have 1 of each color on the blue. Your glue. Now we need our other 2 pieces of paper. This is where you get to decide if you want to put the same colors on one side, like I'll have red and red and yellow, or if you want to make a pattern, you can make them go like this. Okay. I'm going to make a pattern for mine. So take my glue and I put it on the half over here, the right half. I'm gonna take my other color, line it up in the middle just like before, and press down. So now it kind of looks like the pages of a book. Like this, okay? Now I need to take my glue again, put glue on this half, and with our last circle, line that one up in the middle and press down. So now if you look at it, we have pages of a book in here, but there's 2 that we still need to glue together right here in the middle. So final part of the balloon. Put your glue on 1/2 and then push them together. So when it opens it up, you have different parts of it. It looks just like a book. Open it up with different colors. Okay, so that's the finished balloon part of our hot air balloon. I'm gonna put it over here. So we're gonna make the basket now. Okay, step 5 is pretty easy. You will just need this brown piece of paper, cut into a strip, and it's got a couple holes punched in it, and you need your glue. So take your glue and just put it on the very edge of your brown paper over here. And you can set your glue aside, we're gonna be done with it. Now take your paper and roll it so that we make a circle, and the glue, push it together. So now we have kind of like a brown cylinder. It's got a couple holes at the top. That's gonna be our basket. Okay, and you can set that aside, we'll use it later. Okay, Okay, step 6. We have all of the parts that we need and we made them. You can go ahead and put your glue away. We don't need that anymore. And the teacher will come around. She'll give you some string. She will also bring her hole punch so she can make some holes in the balloon for you. So here's where they're gonna go. So when you look at your balloon like this, you see that you have the pages of a book and these parts are glued to the blue paper. So if you hold all the book pages together, the teacher will come and put a hole here on the back and then on the other side. Okay? Then you have 2 holes here on the back, just like this. Okay? You'll take your string, you're gonna put it through the holes in the back right here. Here it comes. Now take the other side, put it through the other hole in the back. So on the back now, you have some string, and there it's coming out the front holes here. Okay? Okay, so there's the rope that will hold our balloon and our basket together. Take your basket, and you can put this string through this hole. You're gonna tie a knot. Be very gentle because if you pull too hard on the string, it will rip this brown paper. I'm gonna tie 1 knot, really gentle, and then 1 more knot. There we go. Take the other side, same thing. Put it through the hole. Tie 1 gentle knot. And another knot. Keep it there. And there you go. Here's our balloon. We're gonna hang it up on the wall so that the basket hangs down. It looks really nice.